Hi, this is Robin from Coco Daisy Design Team, and I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to quickly go through my 52 weeks so far. I started with my week one as the short week in January, so I have three layouts to show you here in my album. So this is the introduction to my album. It's just a little bit about us and how I feel about memory keeping and telling stories. And I used the noted kit for this. And then this is a story about my husband and having breakfast with him on Sunday mornings. Again, I used the noted kit for this spread. And then this is week two. This is a story about my pups and how much they like to go outside and play in the wintertime, and how, kind of the older one really grounds the younger one, although she's 7 now, so she's getting older, and how she needs to have a companion, and how much she copies off of him, especially whenever he comes in after rolling around in the mud or in the snow, and looking all innocent. And then this is the latest one from week 3, and my weeks start on Monday and go through Sunday. So this is week 3, and I've got some hidden journaling on here that I did. And I did a little pop-up, so I could say more than what I could actually fit on the tag. And I'm keeping it hidden because it talks a lot about my husband and his challenges after his traumatic brain injury. So anyway, I hope that this gives you a few ideas. Again, this is the noted kit. This is a puzzle that he did, and this is week 3. And I'm using a Life Crafted album. I have this configuration in here where they have the 2 pockets and then the TN sized pocket. That's pretty much what I'm using, although they've come out with some 2x2s, so I ordered some of those page protectors as well, and I plan on trying those out in this album shortly too. I chose the 52 favorites because I didn't want to do Project Life this year, and I felt like one story a week was something that I could do. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks. Take care.